over here you can see that I have an image right here. And then what you can go around and easily do is crop out the image according to your liking. For example, over here you can see that I have an image right here. So if you want just a particular portion, then you can go around onto the left side, and here you can see crop is an option. So once you go around onto the crop tool, then you can see that you get the crop option. You can go around and resize out the crop area right here, and then select out the portion that you want to display. Let's say, for example, just like this. And then you can go around, press the check button right here in order to get the crop version. Over here you can see that there's different crop suggestions as well, just like this. So you can choose from one of these and then accept them over here as well. And you can also go around and choose the grid layout overlay, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here and type in the resolution over here as well, like let's say, for example, pixel per centimeter and so forth, according to how you like. And you can also go out and crop out to certain, let's say, for example, 5 by 7 inch right here, just like this. And then you will get that particular crop. You won't be able to go around and squeeze in or squeeze out. So if I were to go around right here and select photo ratio, then it'll choose around the original ratio itself right here. And you can go around over here, change around the width and height right here, just like this, by typing it as well. And you get the crop option similarly right here, just like that. So you can go around right here and then choose out, let's say, for example, 16 by 9 right here, just like this, and you get that particular crop ratio right here. And you can press the check mark button or if you agree to use that particular crop. And that is how you can go around and crop out images inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.